I gave these notes. I took extensive notes and I gave them to Gemini and said, "Can you ask a novel question that's not in these notes?" And it wrote. Gemini continues to really surprise me. Really surprised me. It's been really beautiful. It's an incredible model. The question it generated was, you, meaning Sundar, told the world Gemini's churning out 480 trillion tokens a month. What's the most life-changing 5-word sentence hiding in that haystack? That's a Gemini question. But it gave me a sense. I don't think you can answer that, but it woke me up to like all of these tokens are providing little aha moments for people across the globe. So that's like learning. Those tokens are people are curious, they ask a question and they find something out, and it truly could be life-changing.
Oh, it is. I had the same feeling about search many years ago. You definitely, this tokens per month is like grown 50 times in the last 12 months.
Is that accurate, by the way?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
accurate. I'm glad it got it right. But that number was 9.7 trillion tokens per month 12 months ago, right? It's gone up to 480. It's a 50x increase. So there's no limit to human curiosity, and I think it's one of those moments. Maybe I don't think it is there today, but maybe one day there's a 5-word phrase which says what the actual universe is or something like that, and something very meaningful, but I don't think we are quite there yet.